This is the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, so let's check it out. What is up guys, Joel here. In case you forgot, it's me. I know it's been a long time, but I'm back. Honestly, I didn't plan on taking such a long hiatus out of nowhere, so my apologies, and definitely appreciate all of you for sticking with me along this road. But I'm happy to be back and making content here again on the channel. So let's kick things off by taking a look at Apple's latest iPhone 15 Pro Max and do a quick little unboxing. But first, some nice ASMR action. So satisfying, no? Now in the box you get some literature stating that this phone does not have a physical SIM card slot, of course, because it's all eSIM. At least all the iPhone 15 sold in the US is eSIM. But we also get our traditional Apple sticker. We also get a charging cable, but now it's a USB-C to C cable. We'll look into that a little bit more here in a second, but also something you'll notice is this cable is now braided, so you get a little bit more durability, which is a nice added touch. But now looking at the new iPhone 15 Pro Max in titanium, natural titanium I should say, it feels very nice in the hand, and you can tell how much lighter it is than the previous 14 Pro Max just within the first few seconds of holding it. Now quickly comparing the 15 Pro Max to last year's 14 Pro Max, we have this side button which has stayed the same, but where there is changes will be on the other side of the device where the volume buttons are at. Above you see now there's no longer the silent switch, it is now replaced with an action button. This action button can be programmed to a variety of things from silent mode, turn on a focus mode, launch the camera, flashlight, voice memo, magnifier, shortcuts, and accessibility options. So once you set it up, simply press and hold and you will activate that action. Now you'll see one other change at the bottom, which you may have already guessed it. All iPhone 15s have now switched to a USB-C port. So the 15 Pro support USB 3, meanwhile the 15s and 15 Plus support USB 2. But with USB 3 on the 15 Pros, you get faster data speeds, and you can even output your power to other devices like your Apple Watch or AirPods using this USB-C port. Now when it comes to the display, you still get the Super Retina XDR display as before with ProMotion, so up to 120 Hz refresh rate. Now up top you have the dynamic island and the true depth 12 megapixel camera, and you also get the always on display. Now the 15 Pro Max is powered by a new 3nm A17 Pro chip and is said to be a real powerful chip. It has a 10% faster CPU, 20% faster GPU, and twice as fast neural engine and more. Overall, it'll take on intensive tasks at an ease, and if you love playing games on your mobile device, this device can handle it without a problem. Now on the 15 Pros, we also have a new Pro system camera, with the main sensor being a 48 megapixel camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto that can go up to 5 times zoom on the 15 Pro Maxes. Meanwhile on the 15 Pro, it can do up to 3 times zoom, but this updated cameras on the 15 Pros are like having 7 Pro camera lenses in your pocket because of the different focal lengths it can do. And if you want to see a video on some comparisons, let me know in the comment section below of what you want to see. Other than that, that is pretty much everything new on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The new titanium body that gives it more durability and its lighter weight. And also the bezels got thinner too, if I didn't mention that already on the display. You also get the USB-C port that gives it faster transfer speeds, and it makes it easier because now a lot of things are USB Type-C. Also, you have this new action button that you can program to different things and different actions. You also have the upgraded A17 Pro chip that is going to be a beast, and a new upgraded Pro camera system that gives you more focal lengths and more options when capturing that perfect photo or video. But what do you think of the new iPhone 15 Pro Max? Will you be getting one, or will you be upgrading to any of the new iPhone 15s? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, let me know if you enjoyed this video by hitting that like button, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos, because I have many that I'm working on, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot again for your support, and I will catch you all on the next one. Peace.